Alright, today we're working on activity 7-1, working with local GPOs. And we're going to be configuring some Windows 7 local GPOs and kind of see how those work. So first you just need to log on to your Windows 7 as the administrator, which I've already done, and then go to the Start menu, and you can see right here the control panel. You're able to access it right there. If we go down to the search bar, we can type in gpedit.msc, and that will bring up our local group policy editor. So then we want to look at the user configuration, and we'll go down to administrative templates, open that one up, and you can see the control panel right there. So we'll just click that to open it up on this side, and it gives you some options. So we want to look at prohibiting people to access that control panel. So it's right here. What you want to do is double click on this one, and that brings up this box with giving you some options and telling you what it can do. So we just want to enable that so that it is prohibited and people won't be able to access that control panel. And then we just need to hit OK. And then we'll close the editor here. So then if we hit the Start button, the control panel is gone. So you can't get to it right there. Alright, so now we just want to type MMC in the search box. And then once this console comes up, we want to go to File and then Add Remove Snap In. And we want to find the group policy object editor and add that. So, and once this box pops up, we'll go for Browse and click the Users tab here and click Administrators. And finish that one. Alright, and now once we've done that, we want to click to expand the local computer administrator's policy right there, and then click to expand the user configuration and administrative templates. So that's already open. Let's get this a little bit bigger here. And then we'll go to that control panel spot again. So once we've done that, we want to double click again on the prohibit access to the control panel, and we will click disabled and click OK down here. And now if we click Start, we should have our control panel back. And there it is right there. Alright, and now we are going to open the computer management MMC. So type COMP mgmt.msc, and that opens our computer management window. We want to expand the local users and groups snap in, and click the users folder, and then we're going to right click over here and make a new user. So in that for the username, we want to call that test GPO, and password is capital P, password 01. and we want to we don't want them to have to change their password, so we'll get rid of that and click create. And once we've created it, we can close. You can see the test GPO is there. So now we're going to log off and log back on as the test GPO. And so we will take a short break and be back when that's ready. And here we are ready to log in. I just want to make sure you remember to put the name of your local machine first and then the slash so that they know you're logging on to your Windows machine instead of onto the domain, onto the server. Alright, so now that we've logged back on, you can see on the start menu that the control panel is now gone for the test GPO here. So if we type control panel in the search box and hit enter, we get this error message: the operation has been canceled due to restrictions in effect. Please contact your system administrator. So there you go, we're not able to get into the control panel at all as the test GPO. So now what we're going to do is log off again, and then when we log back on, we are going to use a domain user that we have created before. So to go onto the domain, you just put the username. You don't have to add the Windows 7 machine, so you can get onto the domain here. So we're going to use ADV user that we created earlier. So now that we're back in as ADV user, you can see up there somebody we didn't set up for the local computer. You see it still takes effect on them. They still can't see the control panel or get to it. So that's a little bit how group policies will affect local users as well as domain users on the Windows 7 machine. Thank you very much.